Hi, I'm Dan Frigo, Eastern Regional Sales Manager with the Hatco Corporation, and I'm here today to tell you about our pop-up toasters that we introduced earlier this year. I have with me two different models, a TPT 120 on my right and a TPT 208 on my left. You'll note that we've cleverly hidden voltage and information within those model numbers. We have a TPT 120, which is a commercially rated medium-duty 120 volt toaster, and then a TPT 208 or a TPT 240, which again is a commercially listed heavy-duty pop-up toaster. These are 4-slice toasters, and each of them carry UL and commercial UL sanitary certification on them. A few of the features on these toasters is we offer self-centering slots. So when you depress the plunger, you'll see the carriage inside actually brings the toast product into the center. So we provide even toasting on both sides of the bread. We also have progressive speed controls. A speed control, and we have separate speed controls for each compartment. We have a 4-slice toaster with the ability to turn 2 slices on and 2 separate slices on at each time. The speed control is designed so that when the toaster is cold, it produces a specific cycle time. As the toaster heats up with repetitive use, that cycle time will continue to shorten. So as the toaster builds up heat, you will begin to get faster and faster toast. In addition to the progressive color control and self-centering baskets, we also offer removable crumb trays. On the TPT 120, you have 2 removable crumb trays down below, and on the TPT 208 and 240, you have 1 large stainless steel removable crumb tray down below here. We offer wide slots to accommodate a variety of different products, including bread, specialty breads, bagels, English muffins, product like that. The toasters also feature a 6-foot cord and plug, so it's easy to get them power access. Again, 120 volt medium duty will do about 220 slices per hour, and the heavy duty 208 and 240. And it is voltage specific, so it's important to identify what type of power you have. We'll do about 320 slices per hour. Both products come packaged in an attractive gift box to help merchandise them from your dealer showroom floors. The 120 volt pop-up comes in a box that looks like this. These boxes are packaged within cardboard boxes to protect them during shipment, but they provide nice pictures and some features and benefits to help merchandise the product while they're on the dealer showroom floors. Each of these toasters come with a special 1-year repair or replace warranty. If for some reason they should fail in the field, the operator only needs to call our 800 number, follow the prompts to service, and a service technician will work them through a repair or a replace. Neither of these toasters will be serviced in the marketplace. So in conclusion, in addition to our award-winning conveyor toaster line, Hatco now offers you a traditional, easy-to-use commercial pop-up toaster line, which is easy to operate and carries that Hatco reliability with it. Thanks for watching. Let's make some toast.